Good day everyone, this is me again, Jess Arki Lumakad, a BSN Mathematics graduate of Cebu Normal University. So I will be your teacher in this video and we will be talking about translation of expressions English to algebraic. Now, the first thing to do here is to break. Yeah, break. Not that one. Of course, it's the statement into smaller expressions. Now, let's have x denote the number. I will give you some examples on translation. So if I have English expression here and algebraic expression here, okay, let's divide the two. So let's have addition first. So when we say a number is added to 6, it's just, if we have to translate it into algebraic expression, it's equal to 6 plus x. Remember, a number is added to 6, which means 6 should be first, plus x, okay? Now, if we say the sum of a number and 6, or 6 more than a number, or a number is increased by 6, that is all equal to x plus 6, okay? Example, if we have 6 more than a number, we have to make the number to be first, okay? Remember that when we say more than, so which means a number should be first, then plus 6, okay? Now let's proceed to subtraction. So when we say a number is subtracted from 6, or 6 is diminished by a number, obviously it is equal to 6 minus x. So from, say from, so 6. So a number is subtracted from 6, so 6 should be first. And when 6 is diminished by a number, so 6 minus x. Now if we say the difference of a number and 6, or a number is decreased by 6, so that is all equal to x minus 6. Now, let's have multiplication. So when we say a product of 2 and a number, or 2 times a number, twice a number, or a number is multiplied by 2, it is just equal to 2 times x, or x times 2. Just the same. Let's have division. So half of a number, a quotient of a number and 2, the ratio of a number and 2, and a number divided by 2, that is all equal to x divided by 2. Okay? Now let's try to have an example. Another example. So let's change the word expression, the cost of 5 stamps, into an algebraic expression. So the important thing here is the cost of 5 stamps. For the solution, let's have any variable to stand for any word. So we have C to be cost of the stamp in pesos, which means C here is only for a stamp, which means one stamp only. If we want to find the 5 stamp, we just have to multiply it with 5. So 5 times C is the cost of 5 stamps. So very easy, right? Okay, now let's proceed to another example. Example 2. In the word expression, Mary is 10 years older than Nancy, represent both unknown numbers in terms of the same letter, which means we have 2 solutions. So solution, there are so many questions like, what's Mary's age? What's Nancy's age? So let's have to stand M for Mary's age and N for Nancy's age. We have to get that Mary is 10 years older than Nancy. Again, older than Nancy, which means n plus 10, so Nancy plus 10 or 10 plus n, since it's just commutative, remember? So that is basically Mary's age to be n plus 10 or 10 plus n. Now how about Nancy? So Nancy is 10 years younger than Mary, so we just have to flip it, right? So Nancy is 10 years younger than Mary because Mary is 10 years older than Nancy, so we have Nancy to be m minus 10. Well, younger, so minus 10. Okay, that's the clue. So m minus 10 is just Nancy's age. That's all. Easy. Okay, I want you to familiarize it. Now let's proceed to another example. How about in the statement, the sum of 2 numbers is 10, to represent both numbers in terms of the same number. So if x is the unknown number, you just have to stand any variable. So if x is a known number and 10 minus x is the other unknown number, therefore this x and 10 minus x. So x plus 10 minus x is basically 10. So that is the final answer. Thank you very much for listening. So I will give you some practice exercises below. And thank you very much.